ever been really shattered? You should try it. It looks great. Take a piece of paper or thin card that's roughly 20 by 7 centimetres, and then with a pencil, just draw a rough margin that's 2 centimetres from each edge. Then take a thick black felt tip pen and in big chunky letters write the letters of your name. Now, you can do any style of lettering you like, as long as it's big and bold. You can do square lettering, like I'm doing here, or you can do the sort of rounded balloon lettering. But as long as it fills your paper, the whole of the height from top to bottom and margin to margin, something like that. Then colour your letters in, and here's a tip. Colour all your letters in the same colour. Now I'm doing red here, but you can pick any colour you like. You can do any colour as long as they're all the same. I'm just doing it quickly, just really roughly there to show you. And when you've coloured them all in, you should have something that looks a bit like that. And then take a pair of scissors and cut your name in half lengthways, right down the middle, like that. And then lay those two strips, one on top of the other, and cut those halves in half, just holding them together like that. So your name is now in 4 pieces. And now the fiddly bit. Put your name back together again, like a jigsaw. I think now that doesn't go there. Always gets me, this bit. There it is, like that. And that bit must go there. And now, shatter your name. Just move the top piece a little bit to your left, like that. Leave the next piece where it is. Move the next piece a bit over to the left, and then leave that bottom piece exactly where it is. And then, with a pencil, just mark where these pieces overlap. There's one there, there's one there, there's just one there. And snip off those excess pieces. Can be a bit fiddly, so just hold it down as you're doing it, like that. And this bit over here, hang on, I have to pick that up there, like that, and in there, like that, and then just tidy them up a little bit, there, there, so that they're all together, and there you are, shattered. And you can always glue down your pieces onto a different coloured piece of card, and there are lots of different ways you can shatter your name. Try a diagonal shatter. Or what about shattering some other words? Ouch. Try it yourself. Shattered words.